Good morning, student. In previous class, we study about dielectric constant and vector form of Coulomb's law. What is dielectric constant? Then the ratio of epsilon m means permittivity of medium, and epsilon naught means permittivity of free space is called dielectric constant epsilon r, or the ratio of force in free space upon force in medium. The ratio of force in free space upon force in medium is called dielectric constant. After that, we study about vector form of Coulomb's law. Vector form of Coulomb's law. And the vector form of Coulomb's law is, if we have two charges Q1 and Q2, then the force applied at Q1 by Q2 is F12. This is vector quantity, then direction is applied, equal to K Q1 Q2 upon में R1 square R12 square R12 square. This is the vector form of Coulomb's law when we have two charges. Our next topic is force between multiple charges and principle of superposition. बेटा प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन हमने 11th क्लास में भी पढ़ा, जो अलग था यहां पर कैसा है, अलग. फोर्स बिटवीन मल्टीपल चार्जेस एंड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ superposition. This is our next topic, force between multiple charges and principle of superposition. Let us consider we have a system. A system have n particles or n point charges. A system have n point charges, but here we consider a system have 4 point charges, which are Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. These 4 point charges contains a system. ठीक है, a system have 4 point charges Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Then the system is at a three-dimensional body X, Y and Z. This is the origin of. Here the point charge is here, also a point charge here. A point charge is also at last. This is the last point charge. Let us consider this is Q1, this is Q0, this is Q2 and this is Q3. These 4 point charges make a system. The position vector of Q1 is R1 vector. Q0 is R0 vector, Q2 is R2 vector and Q3 is R3 vector. These 4 are position vectors of all 4 charges, and which are R1, R0, R2 and R3. At this condition, according to Coulomb's law, every charge have a force with other charge. Means every charge applied a force to the other charge which is near with it. Here we have four charges Q1, Q0, Q2 and Q3. Then Q3 applied force at Q2, Q3 applied force at Q0, Q3 applied force at Q1. Same Q2 applied force at Q3, Q2 applied force at Q0, Q2 applied force at Q1. Same Q0 applied force at Q1, Q0 applied force at Q2, Q0 applied force at Q3. Then Q1 applied force at Q1, 0, Q1 applied force at Q2, Q1 applied force at Q3. Means if we consider one point charge, then the other all point charge of the system applied a force on it. And here we study about the force. Then if we have a point charge Q0 or Q0, then this is the first point charge or one point charge. Means if the force applied on one point charge by all other charges in a system is addition of Coulomb's law. In vector form. Then what is the principle of superposition? According to principle of superposition, the force applied at a point charge by other point charges is equal to addition of Coulomb's law in vector form. Means the force applied at a point charge by other point charges is equal to, means here Q0 is a point charge and Q1, Q2 and Q3 is applied force at Q1. Then the total force applied at Q0 is the force applied by Q1, the force applied by Q2 and the force applied by Q3. And the addition of the force applied by Q1, the addition of force applied by Q2 and the addition of force applied by Q3 is called principle of superposition. The force applied at a point charge by other point charges which are in a system is equal to all force applied on the point charge at Coulomb's law in vector form. देखो here according to Coulomb's law, force applied at Q0 by Q1 is, means at first we calculate the force which is applied by Q1 at Q0, means F किस पर अप्लाइड हुआ बेटा 0 एंड किसने अप्लाई किया है 1, देन F0 इक्वल के फर्स्ट Q1 इक्वल टू हो गया Q0, सेकंड Q2 इक्वल टू हो गया Q1 अपॉन में R01 का होल स्क्वायर. Here this is the vector quantity and here it is the magnitude. Then we convert the magnitude in the vector quantity. How we convert the magnitude into vector quantity? Then multiply the magnitude with direction, then it convert into vector quantity. Here K is scalar quantity. Q0 and Q1 is scalar quantity because it is charge and charge is also scalar quantity. Then we multiply the unit vector of distance. Then here it is the force which is applied at Q0 charge by Q1 charge. Give them equation number first. Next, force applied at Q0 charge by Q2 is, means here फर्स्ट तो क्या था Q0 पर अप्लाई हुआ कौन सा Q, अब सेकंड इज Q0 पर अप्लाई हुआ विद द हेल्प ऑफ Q2. किस पर अप्लाई हुआ 0 पर, किसने किया Q ने. देन इट इज F02. द फॉर्मूला इज K Q0 Q2. The distance between R02 and R02 it is same as the vector form of Coulomb's law, which is studied in our previous class. This is also the vector form of Coulomb's law, and this is also vector form of Coulomb's law. Next देखो, force applied at Q0 by Q3 means this. The force applied at Q0 by Q3, then where applied at 0 and why applied at 3, then it is F03 equal to K Q0 Q3 upon में R03 square into में R03. This is equation number 3. Equation first, equation second and equation third represent the force applied on one point charge Q0 by other point charges which are Q1, Q2 and Q3. If we calculate the total force applied at Q0, then add the equation 1, second and third. Then the total force is calculated which is applied on the charge Q0. Means here the total force applied at Q0 charge means F equal to, at first the force applied is F01, at second the force applied is F02, and at third the force applied is F03. These three forces are applied at the point charge Q0. Put the value from equation first, second and third. Here F equal to, the equation first value is K Q0 Q1 upon में R01 square R01 प्लस में K Q0 Q2 अपॉन में R02 स्क्वायर R02 प्लस में K Q0 Q3 अपॉन में R03 स्क्वायर R03. This is the force, total force which is applied at Q0 charge by all three charges which is available on the system. If the system contains n charges, then the formula is total force applied on the charges is K Q0 Q1 upon में R01 square R01 प्लस में K Q0 Q2 अपॉन में r02 का स्क्वायर r02 की कैप। नेक्स्ट एट लास्ट k q0 qn अपॉन में r0n का स्क्वायर r0n की कैप। This is the formula of principle of superposition when a system contains four charges. This is the formula of principle of superposition when a system contains n charges. This is for n charges and this is for four charges. And what is the principle of superposition? Then according to principle of superposition, the force applied, the total force applied at one point charge by other point charge is equal to the addition of all forces which is applied at first point charge, or is equal to addition of Coulomb's law in vector form. It is principle of superposition. Our next topic is quantization. Quantization of electric charge or charge. Quantization of electric charge. This topic is studied in our next class. Thank you.